Right, this is a quick tutorial on getting onto IRC. So if you go to the IRC website, mirc.com, and go to the download page, you can then click on your location, save the file, open it, go through all the things, and just install it. And we'll run it. You get this little box up because it's a trial. There are free clients available, so if you like hanging out on our channel, we'll be happy to direct you to some of those. Click continue. Enter your details in here. They don't have to be true because nobody really reads them. Nickname, whatever you want. I'm just going to call myself Bertie. Alternative, this is what's going to be used if your nickname isn't available. So, say if there's another Bertie around, then I'd have to have another one. So I'd say Bertie like that. Now you need to go to servers, add, and you need to add the Freenode server, which is what we use, which is at irc.freenode.net, port 6667. If you're having troubles connecting, you can change that to 8001, and that may help. Click add, double click on that. You may, but depending on how you installed it, you may have a huge list down here of servers that will automatically put in for you, but just click add and do exactly the same thing I did. Now go to connect to server, and it'll beep quite a few times. You can turn that off again by going to tools, options. It'll say, do you want to join a channel? So just type in hash 3D-Palace. You can click add actually if you want and add it in the list. And you can also change it to join on connect, so whenever you load up IRC and connect to Freenode, you'll join the channel automatically. So click OK. If you turn this off, you don't get this box every time you connect, which is quite useful. Double click there. There we go, you're in the channel. Just a couple of things you can set. If you go to tools and options, firstly you can turn your sounds off here because they're really annoying. And you can also, in the options bit, go to connect on startup and reconnect on disconnect, which is just generally useful and will keep things ticking over even if you're away from your computer. Click OK. Now we'll just close that and we'll load up MIRC again, and hopefully with any luck just click continue on that. Just click OK there. It should join 3D-Palace, he says, and there we go. And that's all there is to it. Actually, one more thing I forgot to say. If you go to tools options and turn off this pop-up connect dialog on startup, then this box won't come up when you start IRC up, and you'll just automatically be straight into 3D-Palace, his IRC. And now you can talk to nice people. I also suggest that you read the rules, well, not rules. There's an introduction to IRC on here, which tells you about various things, and there's an IRC FAQ which will solve most connection problems for you. Because don't forget, this isn't a specifically 3D-Palace IRC server, so we're not responsible for it, and we can't really help you out if things go wrong. So hopefully this has helped you, and we'll see you in the channel. Bye for now.